Every conversation is linked to each other, means with the previous conversation made. It's got forming every time you talk and at the same time either getting stronger or weaker depending upon the liking. The interesting fact is that every time when you enter in a conversation with new person, you are forming a new link. No doubt that conversation is a fascinating thing which can give you the whole new perspective. Conversation has the ability to create war or peace, and it also defines who we are. Everyone is a stranger for you in the beginning before entering into the conversation. Then why you have good bonding with some people and not with other after certain point of time? So hello friends, my name is Vineet Singh, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the 7 golden rules for any conversation. Now without wasting any time, let's understand each of them one by one. Rule number 1. Don't avoid strangers. Sometimes take them as an opportunity. We have always been taught in our childhood not to talk with the strangers, but you actually need to figure it out which stranger you need to avoid and from whom you can learn something. For this, you need to take the right call. Generally, we all hesitate and avoid talking to stranger and unable to start the conversation, though we wanted some time but got stopped automatically because we never did it earlier. We are not in habit. It can be while traveling, at workplace, health club, school, colleges, supermarket, in the society where you are living. So my advice is, you need to initiate the conversation with a stranger wherever required, and I'm sure you will definitely learn new things, will gain altogether a new experience in life. Okay, there may be the chances that they won't talk to you. So what's a big deal? They are not talking to you now as well. Then why not try and take a chance? And trust me, it's only the matter of start. Once you will start, it will surely go well. Rule number 2. Don't waste time in greetings. If we're stuck in the rut of hi, hello, how are you, thank you, what about you? Actually, these small talks are wastage of time. So initiate the real conversation or ask personal questions. You don't believe people are willing to share, but no one here is nowadays to ask or to listen them, as we all are so busy. So you just ask. You may ask where did you come from, who all are in your family, from how long you are staying at this place, what are the best things you like in this city, and then you can start feeling the connect. Rule number 3. Kill your negativity. You may find a person who will say I am from Mumbai, and suddenly if you reply I hate Mumbai because of so and so reasons, it means you're going to kill the conversation at the very next moment. So you need to find the common things, then only you would able to connect the links. Otherwise all the conversation will go waste if the link had not been created in the beginning of the conversation itself. You need to think about it. If you find some common things and similarity, then you can realize suddenly the conversation will become very easy. This is one of the art to make any conversation successful. Maybe you both like same sport, same city, same actor, or something else. Just explore it. You must need to find something common, then automatically you can see the buy-in factor. Rule number 4. Start sharing unique compliments. People may forget your entire conversation when you met with them, even your name, but never forget the unique compliment if you had provided any. So be generous and give the genuine unique compliment. Why unique? Because if you provide the common compliment which every next person is giving to him or her, then you are not contributing anything special because he is immune to that compliment. Give it something different which no one had given so far, then only you would able to mark any impression. It should not be just for the sake of compliment as mostly people are doing, such as you are so beautiful, so nice, so cool, you are smart. Stay away from these words and try something real, constructive. You can use your own mind instead of copying. And remember, don't lie. Rule number 5. Ask for suggestions or opinion. We all are expert in giving opinions, and at the same time, we also need validation of our own opinion. Your habit of asking opinion will open the two-way communication, and there may be the chances that your opinion will change after hearing the other side of the opinion. Remember, do not go for illogical opinion, else it may ruin the conversation for forever. Because your intention should not to insult or to cross-validate the knowledge of other person. You need to go with open mind and positive thoughts. Then only your conversation will last healthy. Start something simple and listen. Give attention when someone is giving opinion. And please don't listen to criticize. Only listen as a good listener to adopt, to use, to learn. Rule number 6. Be focused mentally and physically both. Be there while conversation. Don't say yeah, you carry on, I'm listening, and engaging yourself in multitasking. Multitasking is good, but you can't apply everywhere. It means you are insulting somebody and that conversation is waste of time for both the parties. If you want it, then be there with whole heart. If not, then close it. There must be eye contact, otherwise someone get misunderstood that you are ignoring or escaping from the conversation. Trust me, eye contact is something where all the magic happens. Eye contact help you to feel and understand the conversation thoroughly. And rule number 7. Remember something about that person. Remember the name of the person. If not, then at least remember something about that person so that you were able to recall next time. It can be his place of stay, organization, job profile, anything. It makes them happy and feel them they are important for you. It helps you to create the connections, the bonding. If you remember something about them, it means you care for them and they also feel a sense of responsibility for you and feel the special factor. So to conclude all of these, I would like to say that conversation is not a rocket science, it is an art basically which must be started with open heart and thoughts. Then only it can be successful and you can get the result out of it. You don't need to learn this art actually, you only need to practice several times. With this note, I am closing this conversation for now. Thank you for your patience. Take care. Bye.